leiriba Manipur ki praja sing Manipur ki integrity ngakna ba galoina na tungan ba Manipur ki interest da pukhalakpa issue sing praja sing hiroina na chalina.
BJP candidate A. Sarda today filed her nomination papers for the Rajya Sabha election scheduled to be held on June 18. She said that if elected, she would work to safeguard Manipur's interest and promote the empowerment of women. A. Sarda submitted 3 sets of nomination papers to Manipur Legislative Assembly Secretary and Returning Officer Rohit Sapam. In the first set, Home Minister Govindas Konthaujam and 7 MLAs acted as proposers. The second set was proposed by former Chief Minister N. Biren along with 6 MLAs, while the third set was proposed by Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand and 7 MLAs. The nomination filing was attended by Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand, Home Minister Govindas Konthaujam, BJP legislators and the incumbent Rajya Sabha MP from Manipur, Leshemba Sanajauba. Speaking to media after filing her nomination, A. Sarda said she would work to protect Manipur's territorial integrity and represent the interests of the people if elected to the upper house of parliament. She also pledged to focus on the advancement and empowerment of women in the state. NPF MLA Awangban Nyumai, who was present during the filing, expressed support for A. Sarda as the common candidate. Scrutiny of nomination papers will be conducted on June 9 at Manipur Legislative Assembly Secretariat. Last date for withdrawal of candidature is June 11 till 3 p.m. while polling for the Rajya Sabha election will be held on June 18 from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m.
State ki sumba Rajya Sabha ki candidate oina na bagi adugumba utong saba ma pipi basida karigumba mai pa agadi leiriba Manipur ki praja sing Manipur ki integrity ngakna na ba galoina na tungan ba Manipur ki interest da pukhalakpa issue sing praja sing hiroina na chalina. Ai isamak nupi mo ina party president na mo ina haugiba irang thokiba irang tuda especially nupi sing mu care lauraga pregnant women sing na chingbagi especially aina adugumba relief camp hangba sumai tawdana tungan ba nupi ki issue kya pukhatgani loina na nupi ama oina nupi sing ki damakta matam punamakta nupi ki chawkha torang sothaba backward group chinge haidana dumba thambiriba women empowerment da dumba pandam thammaga women led development country ma oina na ba honari basida he na nupi sing da puning chingchen